Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Gap factory try-on haul. I have been loving the Gap lately. I feel like all of their new arrivals have been so good. So I was like, you know what? I bet Gap Factory has some super cute stuff. They totally did. I got so many cute things off of their website for a really great price. They always run crazy good sales on there. So I will have everything linked down below. Let's go ahead and get into the try-on. So first up from Gap Factory is the very famous striped cotton oversized turtleneck sweater. This one is so good, and last year Gap had a sweater that it was exactly the same as this. It kept selling out and then they would restock it and it would sell out again. And I saw it on Gap Factory here and I was like, I wonder if it's like the same one as last season. This season on Gap, there's a very similar one, but it's slightly different than this. So I ordered it and I was like, it's the exact same one as the Gap one from last year. Like the quality, everything, it's the exact same one. So if you missed out on last year's Gap sweater that went kind of viral, it's on Gap Factory. It is so good. It is an ivory and navy stripe, but it is so pretty. It's the same quality as Gap. Gap right now, I shared, they have one that is an ivory with black, but there's not as much stripe. The striping is a little different on it, but it's the same material. So if you want the black one, go to Gap. If you missed out on the navy one from last year, highly suggest this one because it's the same thing. It's so pretty. Size-wise, I did get a size small. It does run pretty oversized. You can size down one if you want, but it does run pretty oversized. I love it. It does come in other colorways as well. It's just a really, really great quality sweater. All right, next up from Gap Factory, I actually have 3 pairs of pants that are a little more on the trendier side. They're kind of big trends that are happening in lots of retailers right now. I saw them on Gap Factory with just cute styles and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try them. I love that Gap has a short and petite option. So I grabbed a couple pairs of pants. First being these straight leg faux leather pants. They are high-waisted. They have like little pockets right here. They're kind of like a tapered straight leg. On the inside is like this soft, like micro fleecy material. So they're very warm. These are gonna be great for the cold weather. And I really like the fit. Size-wise, I went with a size 2 short or 2 petite on their website, and they fit perfect. So I say stick true to size. If you are on the shorter side, get the short or petite option, and if you are on the taller side, they do have a tall option as well, which is really great. So I really like these. Are really great quality. Next up from Gap Factory is a very trendy trouser pant that is happening right now, and these are the high-waisted satin trousers. I've been seeing lots of people talk about how satin is huge this fall and going into like the holiday season. I think we're gonna see a lot of satin tops and now satin trousers. So I actually saw these on Gap Factory and I was like, you know what? Let's give them a try. Why not? I think it'd actually be really cute for a holiday party with a pair of like satin pants like this with some heels and a top. I actually think it'd be really cute. But I was a little nervous on like the quality. I was like, okay, satin can be thin and clingy, and how will that lay? Like, I don't know. I was very skeptical. However, I got these in, I was like, these are beautiful. They are amazing. The quality is like, it feels like high end. It's actually like a thicker satin material, so it's not super thin. It has like, I don't know if you can tell, like a crinkly material so that when it lays and when you move, it doesn't wrinkle up, which is so nice. However, size-wise, I went with a size 2 short, and I regret the choice I made. I should have gotten a 0. I feel like they do run pretty big, and I also actually would like them a little longer because I probably wear a heel or a booty that has like a bigger heel on the bottom. So I love these. Highly, highly suggest them. I think they're so pretty. If you have an event that you need to wear a pair of satin trouser pants, these from Gap Factory are awesome. The last pant that I got from Gap Factory are these pair of cargo jeans, and I've also seen them kind of everywhere at different price points. I saw these and I was like, let's give them a try, throw them in the cart. And I actually do really like the wash. It's a good medium wash. I like the placement of the cargo. I feel like the denim is actually really nice. It's a little bit, I don't want to say thin, it's a little thin, but it does have some stretch to it as well. It's a little bit on the stretchy side. Again, size is very off. So these are a size 2 petite again, and again, I kind of wish I got a 0 regular. So I think these run a little bit big, especially in the waist. Wow, I have like so much room in my waist, but it's not so loose right here. So I don't know how the small would work, and I actually wouldn't mind them a little longer again. These are kind of like ankle length for me, so I wouldn't mind if they were a little bit on the longer side. They're definitely not a high rise either. They're kind of more like a mid-rise. I wouldn't say they're not low, but they definitely are more of a mid-rise jean, which is also coming back. But it was kind of fun to try these on. I might exchange them and try the 0 regular, or I might shop around a little bit and maybe try to find another cute pair. But these are really nice. Highly suggest them. Just try to find your size and definitely size down. All right, next up from Gap Factory, I have 3 pieces of outerwear that I grabbed. First being this little puffer vest. I just really liked the color. I thought the color was really pretty. A nice tan, a nice neutral you can just kind of throw on with lots of different things. It is a little bit on the thinner side, but it does have a little bit of warmth to it. It's nice. It's not like amazing to me. The fit is really nice though. It's a little bit on the longer side. I kind of wish it was a little bit longer, maybe a little more oversized. Size-wise, I got a size small in it, and I think it comes in other colors too. All right, next outerwear piece from Gap Factory is this Sherpa lined denim jacket. I've never had one of these, but I always kind of see them pop up everywhere, and they have a kid one on Gap Factory, and I think on Gap, and I just thought it would be so cute to match my daughter. So I was like, add to cart for her too. I got her one. But I thought it was really cute. It is fully lined with Sherpa, except for the arms. The arms has like a different type of lining, like that satiny kind of lining. But otherwise it's very warm. I thought it was really, really cute. I love the fit of it. It's a little bit oversized and longer, but not too oversized, because you can get kind of bulky with this material on the inside. I can still fit probably some warm sweaters under here, but man, this thing is actually very, very warm. Size-wise, I went with a size small. I feel like it fits true to size. I'll have it linked. All right, next up from Gap Factory is this Sherpa longer coat. I saw one on the actual Gap website, and this one's very, very similar looking. I don't know how that one fits and feels, but this is a very, very soft material. I love the color. Actually really love the big buttons on it too. It's a very nice fit. It's not too long, it's not too oversized, but I can definitely fit some larger layers underneath as well. The lining is just kind of like a lining like that, so it's not the fuzzy material on the inside. Size-wise, I did go with a size small. I think it only comes in this color. It might come in black. I don't know, I can't remember, but I think it just comes in this color, but I will have it linked down below so you can check it out. Okay, next up from Gap Factory, I was actually most excited for this set right here. Some sweatpants and a cute little sweatshirt. They do come separate, so you can buy different sizes. Size-wise, I did go with a small on the top and a small on the bottom. The joggers are just an elastic band. They're definitely high-waisted. They have pockets right here. They are so comfortable. And this little Henley sweatshirt is so good. I love the size of it. It's a little more kind of like boxier, but has like a little bit of slouch. The material is like a worn in, thinner sweat. It is so good. I've actually tried the Jenny Kane ones out. They were just a little too expensive, so I sent them back. I was like, too expensive. I sent them back. I feel like these are identical to the Jenny Kane ones, which are very, very expensive. This was very inexpensive. They are so good. They are thinner. The inside material, I would say, is like a combo of a terry and a little bit of fleece, like a very, very thin layer of fleece. So it's very soft on the inside, but they feel like worn in sweats. They're so good. I am obsessed. Highly, highly suggest these. I have one more sweatshirt that's actually the same material that I'll share next. All right, so here is the other sweatshirt that I got. It's just a tunic length crew neck black sweatshirt. It does have like a little bit of a slit on the side, a little bit longer in the back, but it's that same kind of thinner, like feels worn in sweatshirt. It's really good. Like, it's really good. The inside is like a soft, kind of like I said, that kind of terry slash very thin layer of fleece in it. So it's very soft, very comfortable. I love it. Highly, highly suggest it. I think this one comes in lots of other colors. I'm pretty sure the sweatpants come in a lot of different colors. I'm not sure about the Henley sweatshirt. That might come in a couple other colors. I'm not sure, but they're all great. I highly suggest it. All right, guys, so that is it for my Gap factory try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.